Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Wii Menu and Wii Channels on Dolphin Emulator. Basically, the first thing you want to do is open up Dolphin Emulator, and we're going to go to Tools, and then we're going to head to Perform Online System Update. Then you're going to want to go ahead and select the region. Now do keep in mind that if you want to play certain games on Dolphin, I do recommend that you choose the region that suits the type of game you're playing. The version which I'm going to choose is Europe because that's the version of Wii's that we got here in New Zealand, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Then it'll go ahead and say, do you want to confirm and connect to the internet to perform this online update? I'm going to go ahead and click on yes. And it'll go ahead and take a little bit, but I'll be going ahead and updating it and getting the latest Wii Menu, which is 4.3 I believe. So we're going to go ahead and just wait and let that finish. Alright, once it's completed it should say update completed and click on OK. After that you can go to Tools and then you can go to Load Wii System Menu 4.3. There you go, so now it's gone ahead and actually set up the Wii menu completely. So now all you have to do now is set up your Wii as normal as if it was a brand new Wii. Screen settings, I recommend you switch it to 16:9 since most monitors nowadays are 16:9. So I recommend just switching it to 16:9. However, if your monitor is 4.3 for whatever reason, then select standard. Alright, and you're done. Once that's completed, you'll see a regular clean Wii menu with the Me channel, the Photo channel, the Shop channel, pretty much everything. If you would like a Wii game to show up on your disc channel, all you really need to go ahead and do is, on Dolphin Emulator, basically just need to right click on it and set it as a default ISO, and that'll basically allow Dolphin to see that and it'll go ahead and show up on your disc channel. If you would like to get some more channels, you can actually do it very easily. I'll put a link in the description where you can actually download some more. But if you want to go ahead and add some more, all you simply have to go ahead and do is go to Tools, then head into Install WAD, select the installed channel that you downloaded, and it'll go ahead and say it's successfully downloaded onto the Wii menu. So the next time we open up a Wii menu, it will come up there and it'll work 100% fine. And there you go, it works perfectly fine. Once again, I'll put a link in the description where you can download some more channels. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time.